Hello YouTube, in today's lesson we're going to learn our first quaver note drum beat. Let's go. Hi there, okay, so today we're going to look at a quaver note drum beat. In the first 3 episodes we went over a crotchet note beat, a variation of that beat, and a crotchet and quaver note filling. So we're going to carry on with the subdivisions and we're going to go into a quaver note drum beat. So I'll write some music down and we'll have a look at what that looks like, and then I'll show you on the kit how that sounds. Hi there, okay, so pattern 1, we're going to start out with quaver notes on the hi-hat. So the count for this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I've written it out in 2 different ways for you. So if the people want to follow the music, they can do. You've got the X's on top of the stave, mean hit your hi-hat. And I've also written it out with the H's, so it's a lot easier for people if they don't want to follow the music. So once again, the count is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, let's see how that sounds. Okay then, so pattern 2, we've now added in the bass drum on the 1 and the 3. Okay, so I've done it in green so it's easier for you guys to follow and read. So you've also got your bass drum on your 1 and the 3 in both versions. Remember, everything that's in line is played at exactly the same time. So you've got bass drum, hi-hat, 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 bass drum, hi-hat, 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 hi-hat. Okay? Once again, the count is actually the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright then guys, this is the final pattern, number 3. So we've added in the snare now, which are the red dots. Hopefully you can see the different colours. Once again, written out 2 different ways. So you've got your bass drum in the green, snare drum in red, same in the, sort of, we call it a tablature version. So this one is bass drum and hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, snare drum, hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, bass drum and hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, snare drum and hi-hat, and a hi-hat on its own. Once again, remember, if they're in line, you're playing at exactly the same time. I've also added the lines to the quavers, so that this is how we write it, so it's a lot easier to see that they're quarter notes. This is how we would normally write them, but I just did it the other way, so not to confuse people. Obviously, once again, in this version, exactly the same, bass drum, hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, snare drum and hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, bass drum and hi-hat, hi-hat on its own, snare drum and hi-hat, hi-hat on its own. And once again, the counting stays exactly the same, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I'll play this one in various tempos, so we'll start off nice and slow and we'll build it up. Let's go. Okay then guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. As before, just have a lot of fun with it. See how fast you can go. Start off really slow, get the muscle memory there. Slowly speed it up and speed it up and see how fast you can go. Please comment down below and let me know how you're finding the lessons and how fast you've managed to play it. As before, always play with the click track. It makes it a lot easier, especially when you're learning to keep in time, and especially to find out your progression, because you can start off at a lower level and slowly build up and see how fast you can go. And the click track that I play along to is on my phone. It's an app that's free to download. Brilliant little piece of kit. You can put in all different subdivisions. You can choose when you want the bleeps to go. You can set how fast you want it to go. You can even play along to music with it. So I'll put a link to that down below. Well, all the name of it, whichever's easiest. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you again soon.